So recently, I realized something. I was using way too many AI tools at the same time. ChatGPT for scripting, Claude for longer writing, Gemini for research, Grok for image generations, and a bunch of other tools for workflows and automation. And honestly, switching between all these tabs became frustrating really fast. But then I found something interesting. Bluehost recently launched an AI All-Access Pack that combines multiple AI models, research agents, automation workflows, and creator tools into one workspace. So in today's video, I'm going to test it in a real workflow and show you exactly how creators can use it. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the Bluehost AI All-Access dashboard. And the first thing I noticed immediately is that everything is organized inside one workspace. On the left side, you can access chats, agents, workflows, research tools, and settings. And the biggest feature here is that multiple AI models are available in one place. Instead of opening separate websites for ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, you can switch between them directly here. Let's actually test this. I'm going to create a simple prompt for a YouTube video idea. First, I'll use ChatGPT. As you can see, it generates a clean and structured outline. Now let's switch to Claude and run the exact same prompt. Immediately, you can notice the difference in writing style. Claude gives more detailed explanations and longer structure. And now let's test Gemini for the same workflow. This is actually really useful because different AI models are better at different tasks. And instead of constantly switching tabs, everything stays inside one dashboard. Now here's where things get more interesting. The platform also includes AI research agents. So let's say I want to create a detailed report about the best AI tools for creators. Instead of manually researching everything, I can open the research agent, choose a detailed report, and enter my topic. The system now starts researching automatically and builds a full report using multiple sources. What I really like here is that you can actually see the workflow process and the sources being used. That makes the research process feel much more transparent. Once the report is complete, you can export it into different formats like PDF, DOCX, or Markdown. This becomes really useful if you're creating presentations, blogs, client work, or long-form content. Now let's test image generation. I'm going to open a new chat and generate a cinematic AI thumbnail image. First, let's try it with ChatGPT. As you can see, the image looks very cinematic and visually polished. Next, let's test Gemini. Gemini gives a slightly different interpretation with its own visual style and detailing. Now let's run the exact same prompt using Claude. Immediately, you can notice a difference in style and composition. And finally, let's try the same prompt using Grok. This is actually really interesting because every AI model generates images differently even when using the exact same prompt. Some models focus more on realism, some on cinematic lighting, and others on creativity or composition. And honestly, having all these models inside one workflow makes testing and comparing results much faster. Let's quickly compare all the outputs side by side. And as you can see, each model has its own strengths depending on the type of content you want to create. You can also switch between different image-capable models to compare results. Some models generate more realistic images, while others create more stylized visuals. And honestly, having all these tools connected together makes the workflow much smoother. Another really interesting feature is generating landing pages from images. For example, I can generate a landing page mock-up image first. and then ask the AI to convert that image into a working HTML landing page. And within seconds, it generates the structure automatically. This is actually pretty useful for creators, marketers, and small businesses. The platform also includes AI agents that can automate repetitive workflows. You can create custom agents, upload instructions, add knowledge files, and reuse them for repeated tasks. So instead of rewriting prompts every time, you can build reusable systems for your workflow. So after testing the Bluehost AI All-Access Pack, I think the biggest advantage here is workflow consolidation. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools separately, you get one connected workspace for research, writing, automation, image generation, and AI workflows. And if you use AI tools regularly, this can genuinely save a lot of time. If you want to check out the Bluehost AI All-Access Pack for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want more AI workflow tutorials, automation tools, and creator-focused content, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.